Hey guys, this is Michael at the Spine Center. Really quick update today. We've had a very busy week. We have several things that are going to be coming out next week. But wanted to do a real quick update today on some things that we've been using and a couple of follow-ups to some videos we've done before. For those of you that know, we've been using the Osmo Pocket, which is this little guy, and I've been really impressed with this. It's really nice. The technology is super convenient. Has a great little screen, even though it's actually recording 16:9. The screen shows you what's in the center, and you can plug it into your phone. My phone has a case on it, so it's really hard to do. I'm looking for an extender for that. There was a recent update to the firmware that actually added slow motion. So I'm very curious what that's going to do. I've got to play around with that, get some slow motion going on. It does really crop in the sensor when you do that, so that's something to consider. And I think it's a little slower to stow away the gimbal. But one of the things we got recently was an expansion kit for the Osmo Pocket. It includes several different devices. Should have gotten this out earlier, so sorry. Get out my knife so we can open this guy up real fast. We are doing our unboxing here. And this cracks me up for some reason. It's a whole lot of empty space in that box. I don't know why that is. It just amuses me that they put in that much empty space into the box itself. Box. There's 3 different pieces of gear in this. The first is this. It has a scroll wheel to control the gimbal. Let me start this guy up again real fast. Gives you very precise control over the wheel. Oh, that's pretty cool. The more you turn it, the faster it goes. You can control horizontal speed, flip it, and you can control vertical. Yeah, a pretty good field of view too. Formerly with the power button, you had to press it 3 times to get it to flip around. This gives you a flip button, so that's kind of cool. And the other button is a follow button. I gotta play around with that and see what tilt lock, FPV, letting me tilt. Oh, that's kind of cool looking too. I gotta play around with these modes. Follow is keeping the gimbal stable. Interesting. Oh, tilt lock is keeping it facing forward vertically. Huh. Gotta play around with these. That's a lot of fun. It also comes with a base. My understanding is this base, aside from just giving a wider stance, actually lets you use Wi-Fi control with the Osmo. So it could be sitting over here, and you can control it. I'll just show you this real fast. This is my iPad. I'm actually using it to control the Osmo Pro on my desk. Or the Osmo, what is it, Osmo Plus? But this supposedly lets you use remote Wi-Fi for controlling the Osmo Pocket, which is pretty cool. And this little guy, gotta figure out exactly how this goes. So it opens up like the, oh, it doesn't open all the way. This mount, we gotta see how this attaches. I'm gonna have to play around with this one a little bit. It looks like you can't use the wheel control with this mount. This is just a mount. Okay. Interesting. You have to take off everything to use this mount. That's different. but you have to take off even the lightning adapter. Fits in there. Actually, you have to. It's an unboxing video. Please bear with me a little bit. But you place that in place. It fits in right where the lightning adapter goes. And it locks in, and it gives you a GoPro style mount. Let me look at this real fast. Because over here, I have this kind of Frankenstein GoPro mount. But what I could do now is actually take this guy. Yeah, it is. It's a perfectly sized GoPro mount. Almost perfectly sized. Does it go through? It does go through. I have to get it lined up. There we go. So you can actually now use your GoPro accessories with your Osmo. Now I don't really like that it takes off the wheel control because I think that's actually kind of cool. I wonder if you can put on... Oh, you can put on the Wi-Fi controller. So I'm going to have to play around with this Wi-Fi controller and see what's going on with that, because being able to mount this like a GoPro and control it wirelessly is really cool. I'm going to have to try that and play around with it. Let's turn that off for the moment. Quick follow-up, relatively quick follow-up. Those of you guys that follow us on Instagram and YouTube, you know that we went shooting the other day and we have a GoPro that got driven over by a truck. Yeah, and it kept shooting. And the image still was great. We were able to pull all the footage off it, no problem. This is that GoPro. You can kind of see that what is normally a nice covered lens has taken off, and the case that it was in got a little dinged up. So we ordered some replacements. Amazon Go High. And again, this is my first time opening this up and trying this, so if I embarrass myself, feel free to laugh, it's fine. But just a simple GoPro mount, case cover, and it looks like it should just fit right in there. It is fitting on, but I'm gonna have to play around with. Oh yeah, well that was. Oh, it didn't quite go on there right. And there it is. Yeah, that was super simple. Took me 20 seconds to get it on there. Nice. GoPro takes a look and keeps on ticking. And we have a Sosun the Frame, which looks like just another version of the GoPro frame. Let me get this guy open real fast. Come on. Open. 8 minutes. I've already been talking 8 minutes. That's a long time. Osmo, don't lose that. So yeah, it's a GoPro case. Looks just like the original GoPro case. Openings for audio and controls. Openings for ports, which is kind of cool. Some of the GoPro cases don't have that. I'm gonna pull this off. It did come with this, which looks like, yeah, it's just a hard rubber case to protect the lens. Kind of cool. So this is what we have going on today. I'm gonna get back to editing because I got a lot of editing to do. So look for some more content coming out later related to some artists that we've had. You saw the preview on our Instagram. So I'm very excited. We got a lot going on, got to keep busy, and catch us and subscribe on YouTube.